Hi, my name is Tanya Wilson. I am from Chicago, Illinois, and I was in a whole lot of tax debt. I had $91,000 worth of tax debt that I owed to the IRS over several years. I contacted Success Tax Relief, and they was able to help me alleviate that entire $91,000 with the offering compromise. I went through some changes. I ended up not working. I was paying taxes every couple of weeks out of my check, which would have never gotten that debt paid down. But when I contacted Success Tax Relief, they told me about a program that the IRS has, which is called Offering Compromise. I tried to file it on Chapter 13. I was paying over $3,000 a month, which was was very unaffordable. And once I stopped working a year ago, because I became ill, I got back in touch with Success Tax Relief, and they were able to, um, make the offer to the IRS. I was very skeptical because I had dealt with a company prior who was working on the same situation with me, and one day I called them, and guess what? Their number was disconnected. So when I started speaking to the people with Success, I was really hesitant. I was skeptical, but they really went to bat for me. Um, I didn't think it would happen. Once you have all this tax debt, you just don't know where to turn. It's always hanging on your shoulder. So once they did make the offer, maybe about 6 months later, I got a letter from the IRS telling me that they needed more documentation. I only had 10 days to get it in. So Ken, this is the tax attorney over at the Success Tax Relief. He went really hard. He got all those documents in, and within a month's time, I was able to get this letter right here that says, Miss Wilson respectfully submitted this offering compromising her tax liability of approximately $91,000 for taxes, and it was approved, and that I only had to pay $100. Now, you guys may think this is a scam. You may think that, this is not real, but this is true. These people of Success Tax Relief was able to alleviate all of my debt from the IRS. And I just want to say that if you have any tax issues, any tax debt, you really should contact Success Tax Relief. The people there are very pleasant. They're very professional. You have Ken, the tax attorney. You have Thelma Sample and her husband, Diaphilis Sample. They're the owners. Eric, he contacts you every month to make sure he gives you an update. And then you have the Idrika, Evelina. They are the accountants. They got me current on my taxes, and they alleviated all my tax debt. I'm not being paid to say this. I'm not getting compensated for it. This is simply a testimony, because I know it's millions of people out there that has tax situations. So if you need some help with your taxes and you need to get out of IRS tax debt, contact Success Tax Relief, because they have really gotten the job done for me. And I could not have a more blessed Christmas and a great holiday. Thank you.